Hi guys, happy Friday. So I'm back from my work and I have something on my chin. I have something all the time. Last time I had some ice cream and I don't know, it happened. So yeah, I just ate some yogurt and let's see which brand is this one. This is the brand and it was really delicious. Vanilla choco balls. I really liked it. And I also ate my dinner. It's already 5ish and I like to eat my dinner before 6, so I ate some tuna, pork mince and some sausages and some broccoli. And it was really delicious. And yes, I'm going to vlog for you guys. Maybe today and tomorrow I will make a joint vlog for you guys. And I wasn't feeling very well for a couple of days. I got flu and I was feeling very unwell, so now I'm alright, but the weather is really weird. It's hot, cold, it's rainy, so this type of weather is not good for me. So yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. I already ate my dinner and yogurt, and yeah, I'm gonna chill and watch some dramas and stuff. And recently I'm watching this serial which is called Ganga, and it is so amazingly good, guys. I just love that serial, and if you guys watch that serial, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that serial is really nice. Please check it out. And it's about a girl who is a widow. She got married when she was little and her husband died, and yeah, she's struggling. She has no one, and yeah, it's really cute. A story which is very inspiring and I just love it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna watch Ganga and chillax for a while, and after that I might do some cleaning and stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. I've got bad hiccups, guys, and it's not going away, so that was loud. Yeah. I want to show you something, but my hiccups are not going away, so I have to wait for a while. And I should go and drink some water. Really bad. I just hate hiccups. Nepal ma चाहिँ हिचिच आयो भने चाहिँ hiccup, which means hitches in Nepali. We say that somebody is thinking about you, that's why you are getting all these hiccups. But yeah, it's really bad. I think it's gone now. Let's wait for a while. I think it's gone. So yeah, I want to show you my Pandora bracelet which I got few weeks ago, and some of my friends on my Facebook were asking me to show what I got from Pandora. And this is the bracelet which I got from Pandora. It's just basic silver bracelet, and I got this one for £55 I believe. And I've got couple of charms which were sent to me by sofil.com, and I want to show you my latest charms which were sent to me by Sofil. So yeah, just a second, I will flip the screen for you guys. So here's the close-up look for you guys. This is the bracelet. It is from Pandora, as you guys can see. I love these kinds of bracelets these days, but yeah, I just got this one because I thought I should treat myself, so I got this one, plain Pandora bracelet, and I've got couple of charms and I want to show you. So this is my heart charm, which is my birthstone, and this is my latest tangle charm from Sophie. As you guys can see, there is a flower and rhinestone, and in the back there is our picture. That's me and my husband. It's really cute. And I also have this latest lollipop charm, which is pink and white, and it's really cute. I have this bear charm and this alarm charm and this cross clip charm. So yeah, that's my Pandora bracelet and Sophie charms. So yeah, that's that. And I also want to show you this thingy, which is kind of like a holder for your iPhone. Sorry guys, my battery died, so I'm charging my phone and also vlogging for you guys. This is serious vlogging, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys will appreciate this. But yeah, I want to show you this thingy majiggy, which is kind of like an iPhone holder, and it's kind of cool. As you guys can see, you can adjust the level of the holder and just press it over here and adjust the height and the position of this holder. And for example, this is an iPhone, for example, guys. Just think this is my iPhone, but it's not, it's my passport. But yeah, this is my iPhone. I like to watch movies and dramas in my iPhone, and it's really hard for me to hold the phone like this for a very long time. So I got this holder for myself, and it's worth the money. So I will show you. This is the phone, for example. This is the phone, and you just put your phone over here and it will stay like this, and you can enjoy your movies or dramas without holding the phone. So it looks like this from back, and I think this stuff is just awesome. It's very genius idea, whoever created this stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to share this thingy majiggy. I got this from Amazon, and if you guys want to get this one, then I will leave the link in the description bar for you guys. It was very affordable. I guess I paid around £7 for this. And yeah, that's that. This is my iPhone. There you go. So now I'm going to eat another yogurt. I got the same one, vanilla choco balls. It's really delicious, guys. My husband also came back from his work and he also ate one, and he said he really enjoyed it. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and end the night, and I will see you guys tomorrow, which will be in a few seconds. So yeah, see you, bye. Hey guys, good morning and happy Saturday. So I just woke up, took a shower, and I'm feeling very fresh. Today we are planning to clean our house, and I want to clean my toilets, bathroom and my bedroom. It's kind of messy, to be honest, and I'm not gonna show you that, but yeah, today I'm going to clean my house. And last week I cleaned my makeup room, which I will show you in a bit. But yeah, today I want to do lots of things, lots of cleaning, and later tonight we are going to have buffet with my husband and myself. So yeah, that's the plan for today. But now I want to go downstairs and eat some breakfast and then start cleaning. So this is my makeup room, guys. It's really clean, but it was really messy and dirty few weeks ago, and I cleaned it last week, and I'm cleaning my whole house bit by bit. And today I want to clean my bedrooms and my bathrooms and toilets. So yeah, that's my clean makeup room. Hi guys, so it's almost 3 p.m. and I have cleaned my house a little bit, not much, a little bit, and I have just filmed a video for you guys, and it is 25 random facts about me part 2, and it will be up very soon, so stay tuned for that video. And now I'm going to edit my video and I will catch you guys in a bit. So right now I'm editing my video, and after this I will eat some snacks, and after a few hours we will go and eat our buffet. We are going to Bournemouth, and I will see you guys there. Bye. So right now I'm in my makeup room and I've just finished editing my video, and I feel very productive today because I have cleaned my house a little bit and I have also filmed a video and edited the video. So I feel very productive, and now we are ready, and now we will head out and go to Bournemouth and go to this buffet place which is called Days and have our dinner out there. So yeah, I will see you guys very soon, and thank you so much for watching this vlog, and bye.